So, andito tayo sa Camellia Dasma at the Island Park. We have a new foreclosed house and lot na i-check dito for bidding. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, ito po yung property. Ayan. Total lot area natin is 88 square meters. And then yung floor area natin is 69 square meters. 2-story po yan. 3 bedrooms. So, check natin. Meron siyang car garage. Ito po siya. And then yung likod niya. Malapit lang po tayo sa ayan yung likod niya. Ayan. Malapit lang po tayo sa Villar City and sa Vermosa. And then pasukin natin yung loob. So, as is where is po tayo dito upon turnover. And again, this is available for bidding. Ang deadline po natin is on Monday na. So, bare po yung finish niya. Pero palitada na naman. Tsaka painted na. Hindi natin siya maakit yung second floor. Because, ayan, may anay na po yung hagdan. Okay, so baka maaksidente pa tayo dyan. Again, as is where is po tayo dito upon turnover. So, kayo na po magpapa-repair po niyan. So, kayo na po mag-aayos niyan. And then, yung bathroom natin, ayan. Mukhang hindi siya nagamit ng previous owner na luma lang kasi may plastic cover pa yung toilet natin. So, this is below market value, around 2.6 million. And this is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% spot down payment. And then 80 to 90% balance through in-house and bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. Current market value po ng property na to, if you will buy from the reseller or from the developer, nasa 5 million and up na po siya. So, again, this is for bidding. So, around 2.6 million. Siguro, abutin tayo dito more or less 500 to 1 million for the repairs. Pero depende pa rin sa preference nyo. So, if you are interested to make an offer or bid, please message us directly.
Substituted service applies only when the defendant is a resident because he has a residence in the building.
At the roundabout, take the first exit on Lily Street.
But a non-resident does not have either of those. So that's another line. You follow me? Okay, number 3. Was the summons by publication effective? Was the summons by publication effective?
In 600 meters, turn left on Islands Avenue.
Performance is an action in persona. They are asked to do something. It's not against the whole word. It's against the precedent for the substituted service were not strictly effective. Second, summons by publication. Was it effective against the resident defendant?
In 300 meters, turn left, then turn left.
Publication in an action in persona. Follow me? Okay. Exceptions.